This video will help you to calculate the equation of the line and the correlation coefficient for a linear regression. You will find the key steps on the screen and I will demonstrate them live. From the main menu, choose Statistics. Scroll down and choose To Variable. First enter the X data, which in our case is the age in weeks, pressing OK after each entry. I have already entered the data. After you have entered the X data, enter the Y data. A quick method is to scroll down, which will scroll to the top of the column, and then scroll right. Enter the Y data, which in our case is the weight in kilograms. Again, I've already done this. Check that your data are correct before making calculations. In order to calculate the regression equation, press OK and then choose Regression Results, which is the second option. You have a choice of regression equations. We want linear regression, so choose y equals a plus bx. The calculator displays the y-intercept a and the gradient b. The correlation coefficient, which is the strength of correlation between age and weight, is shown as r. If you are using the ClassPad.net emulator, as I am, to demonstrate using the calculator, you can also show the regression line alongside the key data. Return to the data and press the Graph button on the emulator toolbar. ClassPad.net will show you the data points and the regression line. On the right are the equation parameters, and if you press the More button, you can also see the correlation coefficient. If you scroll the browser page up, you can see the data as well. I think it's a good idea to practice using regression so that you can become familiar with it. You could also explore extracting the regression statistics, such as sums and products, after entering the data. Press OK and choose To Var Results, and the sums and products are displayed.